Let's make a really flavorful shrimp cocktail. Welcome to the Silly Kitchen and thank you for joining me. I want to show you a really great summer treat, snack, whatever you want to call it, appetizer. I mean, I could sit with a bowl of this and some corn chips and away I go. But I'll also show you at the end of this video how to make it really dressed up for any summer party. Okay, let's build this. I'm starting with some already cooked shrimp. I've just cut it into chunks and removed the tails, and I'm seasoning with Cajun seasoning and adding 1.5 ounces of your favorite tequila. Now, when you're cooking with things like tequila, it's the same with wine. Some goes in the recipe and some goes into you. All right, let's continue on with the recipe. And then we need to add the juice of an entire lime. Now you might need a little bit more than one lime depending how juicy it is. You decide. I'm gonna add in red onions and tomatoes that are nicely diced, a little bit of jalapeno for that heat and crunch, and some cucumber. Swirl of olive oil before I give it a mix because of my stirring obsession, but we're not done yet. I'm gonna score one avocado just into little cubes and spoon it out. And then I'm going to continue on by adding just a little bit of salt. Don't overdo it with the salt because we've got that lime and citrus in there too. Once you've built all those flavors and mix it together, put it in the fridge and it's ready to go. I recommend serving this pretty much right away or within, the hour of it being in the fridge. You want to keep those avocados nice and green and ripe. The lime juice will help that as well. But let's say you're throwing a party. Let's say this is a sit-down dinner or a backyard barbecue. Let's dress up this little shrimp cocktail and make it beautiful. So I'm just gonna get little cups out. I'm gonna portion these out all the way to the top, and then I'm gonna dress them up with a wedge of lime or a slice of lime, and then lean some extra shrimp right on the outside. Serve that just with a spoon. People can use their fingers for the shrimp and then spoon the rest out. And you've got a beautiful hors d'oeuvre for the summer, for an appetizer, for a sit-down dinner, whatever it is you're doing. Just class it up and liven it up a little bit. You'll find me with the big bowl and some corn chips. That's how I roll. Thank you for joining me on the Silly Kitchen. Once again, I hope you're having a great summer and you're cooking up a storm for you, your family, your friends, and enjoying all the beautiful sunshine. Till next time.